In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp automatic logout problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your WhatsApp is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, update WhatsApp if available any update version. Then go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, click on Force Stop, click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache, clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open WhatsApp. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fixes WhatsApp automatic logout problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.